Hey guys, let's see how to fix the GH88 camera flashing orange and blue. So here I have the camera, and as you can see, when I turn it on, at first it becomes blue, steady blue, and then when I press once to start recording, you see the LED flashing orange and blue. Some people say it's flashing red and blue, okay? And then after some time, the camera turns off by itself. There we go. So basically, this is an SD card related problem, right? You need to format the SD card. So when I come here and I just open the SportsDV app, here I can format the SD card. So I need to connect to the camera first. So again, just turn the camera on. And now, instead of pressing once, you're gonna press twice, pretty fast, like this. Okay, and then it starts flashing blue, light blue, all right? The camera is ready to connect to the Wi-Fi. So I come here to the cell phone's Wi-Fi and look for the camera signal. If it's not here, you just need to start refreshing until you see it, or you go here to the Wi-Fi settings and keep looking for the camera. There we go. So now it's connected to the camera. If you're connecting for the first time, it's going to ask for the password, which is 123456778, and then it connects directly to the camera. And now you can just come back and open the app. You see that changes the button here to play, which means the camera is ready to play, okay? So I just come here and I hit play, and I can see live video from the camera. And from here, I can just use this gear and come here to the menu to format the card. So here, format SD card. I just read the message here. All data on the SD card will be deleted. So I hit OK, and I'm good to go. For some cameras, this works fine. For other camera, it doesn't work. So let's see what happens now when I just turn it off and turn on again and start and try to record. There we go. Pressing the button, the camera is on, then I press one time and it's still flashing orange and blue. So what I have to do here is format the SD card using a computer. So let me just turn it off and remove the SD card from here. See that I just need to open this rubber flap, remove the card. I'll leave this in the description so you can buy a good SD card for your camera. So just come here, insert into your computer. There we go. And then you come here on Windows and right click on the SD card and format the SD card. Here you're gonna select EXFAT. That's the file system. Depending on the size of your card, you're gonna need to use EXFAT, right? So you can't always use it. And hit start and OK. And then the format is complete. Then I can just eject the card. So right click and eject and put it back in the camera. Let me just remove it from here and insert back here in the camera. Just open this flap. You put in this position, just flip it away and insert here into the slot. There we go. Now I press the button to turn the camera on. Now it's steady blue. And when I press here, you see that starts flashing slowly and blue. Now it's working. Now it's recording. That's the way it needs to be, right? It's working fine. So basically that's the way you can fix the problem with the GH88 camera flashing orange and blue or red and blue, depending on your camera model, all right? I hope that helps. Please leave your comments here, subscribe to this channel, give me a thumbs up, and I see you in the next one.